Hey, do you struggle on where to properly place your blush? Stick around because I'll give you my favorite tip. I've obviously got it down pat. Happy holidays! My name is Becca and this is my channel, Boundless Bloom. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to properly apply blush, as well as walk you through all 15 shades of the Maskcara Beauty Lip and Cheeks. To make it a little more interesting, I'm going to be applying all 15 shades to my face. We also have some amazing holiday bundles going on that include these lip and cheeks, so I'm going to walk through those as I apply it. To get started, I'll first give you the little tutorial on how to properly apply your blush. I'm going to be using Baby Watermelon because it's bright, you'll be able to see it, and it's not included in any of the bundles I'll be showing you today. To apply, I'm going to be using the double-sided B-squared brush. Now this brush is beautiful. Its rounded tapered blush side is designed to give you a more natural dispersed blush on your cheeks. These are all cream-based products and they're very pigmented, so go light when you're dabbing in. Really, the biggest mistake people make with blush is that they put it too close to their nose or too close to their eyes. So my tip is go about 1 to 2 finger lengths away from your eye and nose. As you can see, for the shape of my face, I probably could do about 1.5 fingers from my nose and about the same from my eyes. Now you spent all this time putting on your foundation. If you don't properly place your blush, you're going to cover up what's called that triangle of light that you're trying to bring focus to. Now I get it right there on the apple of the cheek and just drag it up a little bit along your contour. Even blend it in. And there you have it. Okay, let's get started walking through those bundles now. Each bundle comes with 4 shades. We have Bare Necessities, Red Velvet, Truly Madly Deeply, and Tickled Pink. They will all come in what's called a quad, but the design will be in the beautiful iridescent packaging. Let's start out with Bare Necessities. Now this one comes with Nude, Plum, Bare, and the Rose Gold Illuminator. First shade I'm going to apply from that bundle is Nude. Let's see. We'll apply it on my chin. This bundle and these shades will keep you going natural, but give Mother Nature that little step up. This next shade is Plum. Sisters with Nude, but just a little more purple. This next shade is Bare. Bare is very subtle. Let me apply those to my lips as well. So again, Nude, Plum, Bare, and the last one that comes in that bundle is the Rose Gold Illuminator. Just adds that extra little sparkle and pop, and then you could take it and add it to the tops of your cheeks as well. Next I'm going to be talking about the Tickled Pink palette. Now this one comes with Hollywood, which was my go-to girl in the summer because it has a gold sparkle inlaid in there and it's so beautiful. Dahlia, Pink Grapefruit, and Petal. I'm going to just start by applying Hollywood. Then Dahlia. So bright and bold, but again, all buildable. This one's Dahlia. Let's do some Pink Grapefruit up here. Pink Grapefruit. And last in there was the Petal. That very light. Wow, underestimated petal. That is gorgeous. Let me apply those to the lips. Again, we got Hollywood. Hollywood is the one with the gold sparkles inlaid. Dahlia. Pink grapefruit. Petal. Moving into the reds. With this palette, you'll leave them guessing whether you're naughty or nice. It comes with Scarlet, Ruby, Sandstone, and Ever Red. Now, Ever Red is a limited edition. This only comes out around the holiday times, so if you love this one, get it. Let me quickly talk to you about the formulation of these, because as you can see, some are shiny and some are not. Whereas Scarlet and Sandstone are a matte formula, and Ruby and Ever Red are a gloss. And you'll see how those apply. You've already seen a little bit, like the petal is a gloss. Then we have the couple shimmers like Desert Sunset and Hollywood. Okay, let's do Scarlet. Scarlet here. Let's do a little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Getting a Christmas spirit. Ooh. Now let's dig into Ruby. Ruby's one of my favorites because it's my daughter's name. Then we'll get into that Sandstone, which is like a brick red. And last is the Ever Red, which this one is the holiday edition, limited edition, Ever Red. This one leaves you with that fresh in from getting your nose and cheeks nipped by Jack Frost look. I love it. Almost forget to put those on my lips. Let's do Scarlet. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ruby. Way overlining. Sandstone. And Ever Red. Now, if you're into the more deep, luxurious shades, the Truly Madly Deeply palette will be for you. It comes with Black Cherry, Plum, Ever Red, and Indigo Contour. Yes, that's right. Contour in this one. Now, Indigo Contour will deepen any shade that you put on your lips. It give you that deep pop. First up is Black Cherry. You can see this is like a plum. This is another gloss, a plum gloss. Then we'll do Plum you've already seen right here. You've already seen the Ever Red in this one. But let me just show you, I'll use my multitasker here. Let me just show you how this will deepen my lips. If I put the indigo here onto it. I've already overlined so much by putting them out with my finger. But you get the picture. See how that just added something extra? Out of those ones, the only new was Black Cherry. Black Cherry here. Apply that to my lips. To finish up, I'm going to show you just two more shades that were not featured in a bundle. Frenchie, which is a beautiful peach color. She's our only one in the peach family. Now, all of these lip and cheeks can be purchased individually for $14, or you can pick and choose the ones that you love, and if you buy 4 or more, you will get a free compact. So switch it up if you like some of the pinks, if you like some of the deeps, if you like some of the reds. Build your own. The last shade is was my very first, obviously very loved shade, is the Desert Sunset. This one is like a nude and a pink, had a baby together, and it came out like a superstar with sparkles in it. It's so beautiful. Let me apply those last two onto my lips. Again, we got Frenchie. And Desert Sunset. Thanks for watching. Let me know what color was your favorite, and click below to subscribe and hit that bell if you want notifications on more videos from me. And remember, keep blooming.